Hi guys, this is Rikoda and today we'll be solving capitalized title. We just have to switch the cases. The first letter of the words will be up in uppercase and if there is a condition, right? There are two conditions. If the length of the word is one or two, the letters will not change. The letters will be in lowercase. Got it? Too simple. And how we'll be doing is like we'll just one of the contributor just helped me how to solve this. I just did it my own, but I did not use string builder. I'm not used to it. So I'll just reset the code and let me explain how to do the approach. So we all know like we have the majority majority of the letters will be in lowercase, right? Only the first letter of each word. If it is more than two letters, it will be in capital or uppercase. So let's just make it title is equals title dot to lowercase. Got it? So we always use these brackets just for string methods and yeah. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be splitting the string whenever whenever it finds an space. So string st is equals new that will be splitting. So it's title dot split at space. Alright. Now we'll be initializing string builder SB or whatever S you can. SB is equals new string without any context. Now, so we have initialized string builder and we have the words. What does this means? If you remove the spaces from a sentence, if you remove the spaces from the sentence, you get three parts. It's an array of strings. So this will be at index number 0, this will be at 1, this will be at 3. So this is just an array of strings. So we'll just doing an for each loop string s, and for here we'll be using st, that is array of strings. Now we'll be checking if s dot length if s dot length, always use these brackets for string methods, is greater than 2, or you can use greater than equals 3, it doesn't matter anyways. So if it is greater than 2, because 1 and 2, right? Because if the length of the word is 1 or 2, that means it may be there is no word with zero letters, right? It may be one, it may be two, or more than that. So let's assume more than two, that is greater than two. Then we'll be doing some operations, and else we'll be doing different operations. What we'll be doing for different operations? Change all the letters to lowercase. We don't need that. We already have that, and that is in split. That is already splitted, and that is in string s for each loop. So we'll be just doing this SB, that is our string builder dot append s plus a space. Why we need this space? Because the final output should be in space, right? So this is the output for else case. If this case is valid, if the word contains one or two letters. Suppose the letter contains I, or look over here, I. I is in small. It's not in uppercase. Just because it's at in the front of the it's at the zeroth index of the entire sentence. It doesn't make sense. It's not need to be in uppercase. So let's just leave it and let's just focus what the example says. And with that said, let's add the remaining logic. Append. What we'll be doing over here is we'll be just switching the character. We don't have to split the entire thing. We'll just use the character method. Character dot to uppercase. Uppercase of what? Uppercase of s dot caret of, I'm sorry, s dot caret of 0, not I. It's really bad habit, I'm sorry. So what is that caret of 0? For every sentence, caret of 0 is its first I mean the first letter of it. So we'll be just capitalizing it. Right now we'll be adding. Let's check which brackets. Okay, yeah. Let's add s dot substring one. Now what does s dot substring one? For substring, you need to have a parameter that is a index or two indexes. If you pass one index, then that will be the starting index, and what will be the end index? Do you know? The end the end index will be the last index of the string, the last letter of the string. If you pass 1 comma 3, suppose, so 1 comma 2 or 3, so this will be the first index. I mean the suppose this is the letter, so this is at zero index. I mean, let me show you. This is at zeroth index. This is at first index. This is at second, and this is at third. So the starting index is one, and ending index is three. So the ending index will be ending index minus one. That is two. So it will bring you A and P. Correct? Getting my point? Now what we'll be doing is leaving it at one because we don't know the last letter, the index of the last letter we don't know. So we'll just leave we just drop the starting index because we have our zeroth index, that is a first letter of the string. We'll be doing an uppercase operation, and after that for the remaining part that starts from one, that one index, the index number one, till the end, we'll just getting the s dot substring, we'll be adding it, and we'll add a space over here. We'll add a space. Correct? Now, wait a second. It's got a print. What's happening? Yes. Okay. Now, we don't need anything. We just return our SB. Correct? But look, it's in string and not string builder. String builder and string, these two are both different. So we'll just use the methods to string and we'll return it. But there is one more thing we need to check, because in case the last letter is title over here, and at the ending you will get a space every time, right? A space. If you if you can check, it's a space. How to deal with that? We'll use dot trim method. What does this means? If there is an space in the front of the string or at the end of the string that is not needed, it will just remove that. Got it? Let's run. Okay, what's the problem? Let me check. String builder. My bad. This is why you should always check that. Okay. What's wrong? S dot substring. I guess my keyboard is not working. Yeah, we're getting the output. Let's submit and try. Sometimes I'm getting 6 ms, sometimes it's 15, sometimes it's 7. I don't know what's happening. Anyways, let's deal with it. So this is not the exact optimal solution. You can say it's like a brute force solution or something, but this is the only best solution I found in the internet, and this is almost my solution. You can check this. This was my first solution I tried without string builder. So here it is. This is a solution with without string builder. This is useless. Just ignore this. I don't know why I use this. So yeah, this is the final solution. You can check this out. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. This is LeetCoder, and I just tried many times to optimize it. I couldn't come up with the best solution. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. This is LeetCoder. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.